Good, better, best. Never let it rest until your good is better and your better best. I've enrolled in LearnSolidWorks.com. It's got some amazing tutorials, well worth the price of entry, and I'm very excited to be taking all these so I can take my good to better and my better to best. But wait, there's more. I'm gonna take a quick look behind the scenes so you can see what it's like. So here's the chopper, like Schwarzenegger would say. The chopper!
Get to the chopper! Get to the chopper!
So here we have the chopper in CAD, and you can take the class. It's got all the tutorials here. You can follow along. Here's the founder of LearnSolidWorks.com, Jan. And if you ask me personally, how do you know you made it in life, Raphael? My answer is simple. Number one, make it to heaven, easy. But number two, it would have something to do with being able to make a living of something you really love doing and monetizing your expertise. And Jan has successfully done that, so I can truly respect that. If you're interested in enrolling in the free workshop, I'm going to leave a link below. Raphael Destai, until next time.
Get to the chopper!